I'm Rachel, and this is Zero Proof Happy Hour. I'm one of the co-hosts. This is Donovan, my other co-host.
I've been a recovering alcoholic since July 18th, 2001.
And I have been sober from alcohol since I was in my early 20s.
All right, today we got our first CBD, well, yeah, they don't call it CBD, broad spectrum hemp drink.
Hemp-infused.
Hemp-infused.
Non-alcoholic spirit that calms and uplifts without the negative effects of alcohol. That's on their bottle.
And we think it's pronounced Aplos or Aplos.
I think it's Aplós.
It's Greek for simple, which they value the simple things in life.
They say you can sip this on its own. We'll try that first.
Milky white.
Yeah.
Very.
Oh, I smell it. It smells medicinal.
Whoa. Oh my god. Flavor notes: yuzu, rosemary, basil, cucumber, dandelion.
Whoa. I won't want to sip this on its own.
No.
That hemp is strong. And there's some kind of really bitter aftertaste, which is giving it that medicinal
Is
effect.
that the yuzu?
No, the yuzu is actually the pleasant part.
The
yuzu is that nice orangey floral note.
Oh. So it's got coriander.
Feel that?
Gentian root again. There's the bitter.
That's very bitter.
Dandelion root. I like dandelion root as a coffee substitute, but yeah, it's filtered water with a hemp extract, so definitely getting that grassy.
I need it mixed. I can't handle that on its own.
Yeah.
They lie.
Well, it was. Now, one of the interesting questions about this it says, we like to say we are different from a CBD drink because we use a full spectrum hemp which contains all of the cannabinoids rather than just CBD. And they strip out the THC, so if you drink some of this, it's not going to show up on your drug test. What is this?
I forget what it's called, but
Lychee.
there's lychee juice, there is a little bit of lemon juice, and there's ginger juice in here. Hopefully that will mellow out that intense medicinal flavor.
Cheers.
Okay, the
That's
ginger,
better. Yeah.
that ginger juice really takes that medicinal flavor down. I still get that bitterness. The lychee juice really helps bring it out.
Much more palatable this way.
Yeah, this is way tastier. A little on the sweet side for me. If you need more lemon juice, you can add a little bit more.
This had quite a bit of ginger juice.
It was a 3/4 ounce ginger juice. It was almost 1-to-1 on all three ingredients. So 1 ounce lychee juice, 1 ounce Aplós, almost an ounce of ginger juice, and then a little bit of lemon. And it still tastes medicinal to me though, honestly. If this is meant to be like, okay, it's going to give you some kind of like body relaxation, a little bit of mind relaxation, I would stand the flavor, but honestly, it's really strong for me. And I like bitter, but that's taking it to another level.
I think this is our first drink with lychee in it, isn't it? I like that. It's one of my favorite flavors. It does work with this drink.
Yeah, lychee has a floralness to it. It's very sweet.
How much was this?
It was expensive. Anything with hemp
Yeah.
is usually on the expensive side.
It's just a matter of time before we start seeing a lot more of these kind of mind-altering.
There are already a ton of them on the market.
Yeah.
Recess is one. You can get it in a can. It's a hemp-infused drink. You can get...
But are they all pretty much hemp?
No,
CBD?
there's another brand called Canned. They have two versions. There's one that's spiked and one that's unspiked. And spiked meaning it has THC and CBD in it. This is supposed to be the Calme, and it was $48, but with, I think I had a discount code. I think it was like around $42. So very pricey. for something I'm not super pleased with.
Yeah, and we live in California, so we don't have to have diluted CBD drinks.
Yeah, had it been sippable on its own, I would have appreciated it.
Yeah.
But as a mixed cocktail, it's still not enough to cover that flavor that is just really like aspirin at the back of my throat. I don't like it. And it's expensive, so I'm giving this one a 3. If you're supposed to drink it like a shot or a couple shots, like a couple ounces, just really quickly, and then wait and see if you feel anything from it, that might be fun for laughs. But yeah, I like to enjoy my drink, sipping it slowly and with food sometimes, so not for me. What about you?
Yeah, it's down in the 2 or 3. I would not sip this. Are you crazy? The drink itself, nothing special, 5 or 6.
For the cocktail?
Yeah, it's too bad. I would never ever order this again, personally. It's interesting to see these drinks trying to come onto the market. It's really a ton of options that are out there. Hope that you get a chance to experience them on your sober journey. And what were you gonna say?
I was gonna say, just because we don't like it, that doesn't mean you might not. We all have different taste palettes, and you may not care about the aftertaste or that hempy flavor. Maybe you like it, in which case this is for you.
Happy sober spring.